Hey, hi, hello. Today, I'm going to show you how to make an Enchanted Dirty Martini, also known as the Ruidoso Bad Boy, with 5 pre-measured ingredients. First, I start with a 1/4 cup of olive juice that I strain from the can. I did not include olives in this recipe, so add an olive or 10 if you are an olive enthusiast. Then, I add a double shot of vodka, which is slightly under a 1/4 cup, so if you feel wild, go for a 1/4 cup because then you may actually be able to taste the liquor. Next, I add a teaspoon of roasted green chilies, and I give it a thorough stir. You can also start this recipe with the roasted green chili and stir once at the end. Now it's time for the strained, tamed, pickled jalapeno pepper juice, which I add a 1/4 cup of into our cocktail, and if you're lucky, you might get some jalapeno seeds in your juice. The last ingredient is beer. I add a 1/2 cup of beer to finish off this enchanted bad boy. Once the beer is added, I give this drink one final stir so that everything is evenly combined. The following brands depicted are what I use on a regular basis. Therefore, I often have the olive and pickled jalapeno juice strained and in reserve. However, feel free to experiment with different ingredients if you fancy. Comment your experience with this concoction if you try this Ruidoso bad boy and share your unique drink recipes in the comment section. Cheers! Now it's time to sample the Enchanted Dirty Martini. Tastes pretty handsome if you ask me, and you didn't, but I'll tell you.